Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach. Welcome to Pinaki Yoga. Today's video is regarding crow pose, how to do it properly and what should be your preparations for it. So stay there, we're going to start it right now. Crow pose is a balancing posture. It is your arm balancing posture and it improves your core strength and also improves your proprioceptors who's balancing. The most important thing in crow pose is your complete body weight will be handled by your wrist, by your forearms and your hands. So it's always better to perform a little warm up for your wrist, for your forearms, for your arms before going for the actual crow pose. So for wrist warm up, you should keep your fingers like this and your elbow should be straight. Okay, keep your hands by your side and start making a fist and then open your fist. All right, so do it 30 seconds, little fast, and keep your each and every muscles engaged while doing this activity. Your arms should be completely tight. You should feel the burn in your forearms, in your wrist, in your fingers also. So do it for 30 seconds. Slowly release. Next you can do wrist flexion for your wrist warm up like this. So keep your complete arm completely tight and you should feel the burn in your forearm muscles. So do it like this. See, my hand is completely tight and I can feel the sensation and feel the burning in my forearm while doing this. Do it for 30 seconds. Slowly release. Now you can feel little tiredness in your forearm, in your wrist muscles. Now the another warm up for your wrist is, you need to come to the tabletop position. Your palms should be completely under your shoulders. Now slowly take your complete body forward like this, so that you can feel the weight on your wrist. Now in this position, you need to stop your body for going forward. You need to stop your body with the help of your fingers. So do not keep your fingers completely flat on the ground. Flex your fingers little bit so that you are able to stop your body like this. Okay? So stay here in this position. When you are feeling immense pain in your wrist, stop here for 5-10 seconds and then slowly come back. Alright, again move forward. So draw your body completely forward and slowly take back. Now slowly relax and you can shake your hands like this. Do a little wrist rotations, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Slowly release. Now the problem we face at the beginner level in crow position is, instead of using our triceps, we use our upper arms. So our position is somewhat look like this. So the problem with this posture is, there is a lot of energy we are applying while going downward. So with this position, instead of doing this, we should try with the cat-cow position. Alright, and now slowly inhale. While exhaling, fold your spine completely, your head in between your hands and your ribs completely pull towards your spine. Spread your shoulders and protract your chest. Inhale, and while exhaling, fold your spine. Pull your ribs in, head completely down, and slowly relax. Now you need to remember this position of exhaling in cat and cow pose when you are going to do crow pose. So for crow pose, how you can apply this exhale position of cat cow is, so when you're going to do crow pose with your triceps, so your chest should be completely protected, and just inhale, and while exhaling, fold your spine, head completely in, pull your ribs in towards your spine, and slowly lift your legs. So in this position, your complete energy is applying through your core. You need to again stop your body while going forward direction. Stop your body with the help of your fingers. So do not keep your fingers completely straight on the ground. Flex your fingers a little bit. So now, when you're going to do crow pose, for the preparation for the crow pose is, take 2 bricks, one over another. Keep your legs on the bricks and keep your hands little bit close to your body. Okay? Tuck your knees to your triceps, little up, and take your body down. Exhale, come to the cat-cow position, exhale position, and slowly lift one leg. Practice this position, lifting one leg and then another. Look little bit forward. Slowly come down. Whew. So you can see how much energy crow pose needs and how you can apply the correct energy and from which part of your body. So you should apply complete force through your core rather than through your legs, okay? And instead of focusing on your legs, focus on your core part. So you need to apply immense energy, immense force from your core. Okay? Use some props like this so that it would be easy when you're going to do actual crow pose. So before going to the direct advanced posture, it's better to use props. Thank you for watching, friends. That's it for today's guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga for further updates. I'll meet you soon next week, next video. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy.